Hi friends, welcome to my must kitchen once again. Today I am going to prepare a fruity milkshake. It is a power packed drink and full of goodness of health, which gives you instant energy. So let's move to my must kitchen to prepare fruity milkshake. For refreshing fruity milkshake, we need 100 grams grapes, 1 small apple will cut into small pieces, and 1 small banana will cut into small pieces. 1 tablespoon honey, 4 soaked almond, 1 pinch black salt, and 1 cup of milk. Put all the ingredients in a mixer grinder jar. Apple, grapes, banana, honey, almonds, pinch of black salt, milk. Mix it. Pour it in a mug or glass. Refreshing fruity milkshake is ready to be served. It's awesome, friends. Try it in your kitchen, and if you like it, then please do subscribe my channel and be with me.